session. Okay, I'm going to share screen, entire screen. Okay. Observe, this is the user interface of ANSYS Workbench, right? Just I'm going to select static structure. I'm selecting this static structure and I'm going to drag here. It will create one pop-up, right? First, there is a engineering data. First one, it will define the static structure. It will define the environment related to the structural domain. Okay, there is a what is this value? What is the second step? Engineering data. Engineering data, it represents the material library. When I'm click on the double click on the material engineering data, it will navigate to the local library. In local library, there is only one material is there. That material name is structural steel. Okay, now observe a structural steel. We need to import material from global library. Actually, engineering data source is the global local library. Observe my cursor. This is the engineering data source. When you click engineering data source, it's created. This is the engineering general materials. I'm selecting general materials. When I click general materials, it will create outline of general materials. Outline of general material. There are different materials is there. Just I'm going to import only two materials: aluminium alloy and copper alloy. Just I added two materials. Then there is a beside engineering data, there is a one project is there. Select the project. This is the project. Okay. Then geometry, right click. Right now in my settings, I have set default as a spaceline. But in your systems, it will open as a discovery. But you need to select spaceline in your system. Actually, my system is this spaceline only. Okay. Okay, then please wait. Observe here, there is a status bar. In the status bar, we need to apply the something is on. Just a minute. Yes, claim. Starting space claim. Okay, this is the user interface of space claim. Okay, here I'm going to draw one specimen. I'm selecting circle. I'm selecting 2D plane view. I'm selecting this center point and I'm going to enter the value. How much diameter? 30 diameter. Okay. Return to 3D. I'm selecting H for home view. I'm selecting this surface. When I have selected the surface, it is converted into orange color. So it is selected. Here we need to click on the space bar. When we click on space bar, it will ask input value. What is the input value? Dimension value. We need to enter the value 30 height. I have defined. I'm selecting again this surface. Again one circle. Return to 3D. Here I'm going to define the diameter is 15. Return to 3D. H for home view. I'm selecting this surface. And here I'm going to enter the value 70. Okay. This is the component we have drawn. In this design tree, there is only one solid is there. How many solids is there? Only one solid. In this, I need to mirror same cross section this side also. I'm selecting this face and there is a design option. Under the design, there is a create tools. There is a mirror command. Look here, there is a mirror body. I'm selecting this body as a mirror. I'm selecting this body. Just I have created this component. Okay. Then minimize. Okay. Observe. We need to it asking update. When I'm clicking, when I'm going to click on the model, it will navigate to the mechanical workbench. Look here, it is starting ANSYS mechanical. Is this session is recording or not? Yeah, it's recording. Please wait until to get open off. Look here. First, we will solve the problem and we will try to add parameters. Okay, this is the geometry, right? This is the geometry. First of all, under geometry, we have to select we have to assign the material. What kind of material it is? Here I'm going to first I will solve with the structure steel only. First I will solve by default material only. And here I'm going to define in structure steel what is the, look here, there is a tensile strength is there. Look here, just a minute. Observe, there is a yield strength value 250 megapascals and maximum value 460 megapascals. Oh, in 250, the individual stress, it is below 250, the component is safe. When it crosses 250 megapascals, then it is undergoing plastic stage. So it is not safe for ductile materials. But brittle, when it comes to brittle materials, we will consider maximum value. We are not considering this yield value because of there is no yield point in brittle materials. Okay, observe. Then observe. We have to select mesh, right click, update. Look here, if we need to change anything in geometry, observe here, look here, mesh size is very large, right? So that's why it's not capturing 100% geometry. The mesh is not capturing 100%. There is no smoothness on this surface, right? Look here, observe. When I'm placing, okay, observe. There is a home, there is a section view. I'm selecting this view. Look here, it is showing like this. Observe. Enable the sections. Element size is very large. So that's why it not capturing geometry. Based on the component, we need to capture the geometry. Okay. Observe in details. I'm selecting mesh. I'm going to enter the value. Mesh size as a 3 mm. Mesh, right click, update. Look here. Okay. Then I'm going to in section. We need to uncheck this one. Look here. Okay, are you getting, sir? Observe. Then next, we have to insert statistical, right click, insert. We need to apply the fixed support, right? Where is the fixed support? This is the fixed support. I'm selecting this face and this face we have to apply. This is the fixed support. On another end, we are going to apply the load. Statistical, right click, insert. There is a force at one end. I'm applying this end, this face.